Hey guys, it's Ricardo and welcome to another blog tech tips. So guys, for today what I'm going to actually show you to do is how to create a GIF or GIF depending on how you pronounce it on the Samsung Galaxy S8, S9 or Note 8 or other similar devices. So if you have one of these devices guys, I'll show you the quickest way and fastest way to actually create a GIF. Alright, let's get started. Now, the first thing you want to do guys is make sure you have some pictures that you like to create a GIF with. And in this case I've taken a series of 5 pictures as seen here. However, as long as you have at least 2 pictures or more, you should be able to create the GIF. And in this one I'm going to create a simple GIF. So the first thing I want to do is just long press and highlight. As soon as you see the highlighted icon or the checkbox right there, you're just going to check all of these up here. So I'm just going to check all the ones that I want in the GIF. And of course it would be better if these are in series, alright? And you can use GIFs on places like Twitter and so on, the comment sections, especially when you want to convey something. It's just basically an animated picture or a series of animated pictures. Alright, so it's going to click tap on the menu in the upper right. Next, you're just going to look for the option that says create GIF. And you create GIF. And as you can see here, it's showing you the GIF. Now, of course, there are the controls down here. And this one is moving way too fast. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to select the option to allow me to actually slow down the transition, which is that option right there. And notice it says speed here, and I'm just going to reduce the speed. Notice it's still going a little bit fast. Alright, much better. And I'm just going to keep it right there. And you can go back to the first option right here. And you can see the slides. You can actually move and rearrange the slides. You can mess with the cropping of your video or your GIF, and you can actually go over here and you can choose which direction you want the GIF to play in. Is it forward, backwards, or you want it to just loop? Alright, and of course you can add text as seen here. So as you see here, I could draw, I could add stickers, and I could add text. Alright, and of course I'm not going to add anything to this one, so I'm just going to close this out. And of course once you create a GIF, as in this one here, and this one is actually showing you how to change the screen timeout or how long the display is on the Galaxy S6. So once I'm finished, I'm going to hit save, and of course there you go, it says it's created there in that location. And all you gotta do now guys is exit, and you can just go back, and I can just back, and of course it should appear up here or in the first position. And notice it says here right on screen, it does indicate that this is a GIF or GIF. And I'm just going to go ahead and tap, and of course you can see it here, and this is actually showing you a tutorial on how to change the screen timeout. Alright, so it was quite easy creating this GIF. I could now upload this to anything such as Twitter or so on, and it's quite convenient. Alright guys, that's Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips. But now a quick tip showing you to create your very own GIF. You can actually create any GIF that you would want. Alright guys, Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips saying bye until next time. Bye guys.